Oh yeah, don't roast me. The fish don't care how you look. They're just my only rubber shoes because I don't have any water shoes. Might look a little homely, but who cares? All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while, I know. I'm sorry for the week breaks in between my videos, but at first it was because I was just starting school and I was getting in the swing of things. But now, this last week, I've been fishing, but I couldn't pay a fish to bite the end of my pole. It's been a rough week, and you know, I don't know. I couldn't catch a fish to save my life. And then, hold on a sec. Yeah, but today it's a different story, different conditions. It's a high of 70 today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 80, and the day after it's supposed to be in the 80s. So I'm hoping with this warm front, it should turn the fish on. But regardless of that, I'm out here today, hoping to catch some smallmouth in a super small creek. I think I'm the only one out here, so that's good. Yeah, that's all I got for the intro. I'll quit blabbering and get fishing. See you guys on the water. Having a little bit of a tough time locating the fish. I haven't seen any sign of any smallmouth anywhere. I know they're in here, but we're gonna move up river quite a ways, see if we can finally get into some. But this is how it's been the last week. I'm not sure what the deal is. I'm fishing bottom baits, top water, and they should be hitting top water. The water's cold, but not super cold yet, so we'll see. There we go. Oh, he came up. That might have been a brown trout. Finally had a hit. There's a snapper right there. Holy crap. That scared the shit out of me. That's a big snapper too. That was scary. Got him. This is a bigger one. Is that a pike? Yep. Was not expecting that. It's not a bad one either. Hope you guys can see me. First fish of the day. If not, here's the GoPro view. Super skinny fish, but he's pretty long. See you, big guy. Ow. All right, so there's one fish of the day. Thank God, because not what we were targeting, but we also didn't get skunked. So today's trip's a success. But now I got some confidence. The only sucky thing is that's my last Ned rig, so I might have to switch to a tube if I happen to lose this. I didn't know there was northern in this little river, at least like the actual creek part of it. There's a pond upstream a ways where there's, but I guess they're in the creek too. That other one didn't even look like a smallmouth. I don't know if trout eat Ned rigs, but that's what, it had too many head shakes for a smallmouth. It almost looked like a brown trout. The colors were a little yellower than, otherwise it was a super golden smallie. I'm glad we're getting into them though. My good luck turtle, thanks buddy. Franklin. If you guys were wondering where that snapper was, alright, so the camera was set up here. I was on that log right there. And I was just chilling and look at him. Sleeping or something. He didn't care how close I was. I was 2 feet from him. Oh, got one. Oh. No, that was a northern. He hit real close. Yeah, you can see this bite marks right here. Alright, so rough day on the water, but I finally caught some fish. Yeah, that's all I got to say about today. It was nice to get out of the house for a good evening and finally catch fish. But, you know, I was hoping for better results. My only fish I landed was a small northern. But, you know, I'm not complaining. A fish is a fish. Better than getting skunked. And, yeah, that's all I got for today. Hope I see you guys quicker than in a week. But, no promises. But, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.